Hello guys, today I am going to discuss about a product named PileSoft Ointment. Prior to entering into the topic, I will let you know what I am going to discuss about this PileSoft Ointment. The general information, the composition of PileSoft Ointment, the mechanism of action of each ingredient that is present in PileSoft Ointment, uses, side effects and review of PileSoft Ointment. Look at the picture. It is how the PileSoft Ointment looks like. Let's start with general information of PileSoft ointment. Its brand name is PileSoft and the category is allopathic. As it is applied externally, it is topical and it is available in ointment form, that is cream form. And the pack available in the market is 20 grams tube. The manufacturer of PileSoft ointment is Smart Laboratories Private Limited. And in order to purchase this PileSoft ointment, you need a prescription of a doctor. Now let's go to the composition of PileSoft ointment. Actually, there are four main ingredients that are present in PileSoft ointment. They are lidocaine, hydrocortisone acetate, zinc oxide, and allantoin. I will let you know how they are going to act and reduce the pain caused due to piles. Here, lidocaine is a local anesthetic. Whenever you are going to apply the lidocaine on any particular part, it causes numbness, that is you will lose the sensation at that particular part, hence it is uh, called a local anesthetic. It numbs the area wherever it is applied, thereby causing loss of sensation. If you are going to apply on piles, then it will lose the sensation at that area and thereby reducing the pain. It prevents the pain by blocking the signals at the nerve endings in the skin. Now coming to hydrocortisone, actually it is produced inside your body in the form of cortisol by adrenal cortex. However, it is supplied externally as hydrocortisone, and medicinally hydrocortisone is generally used to treat inflammation, pain and itching. Here in the case of piles, when you are going to apply this hydrocortisone, it reduces the pain, inflammation and itching. Now coming to the zinc oxide, the molecular formula of zinc oxide is ZNO. The zinc oxide is generally used to treat or prevent minor skin irritations such as burns, rashes. Here it will prevent your hemorrhoids, that is piles, from rashes. Now coming to allantoin, allantoin generally serves as a moisturizer. It generally used to prevent or treat dry, itchy and scaly skin, and it also prevents minor skin irritations. Here, when you are going to apply this allantoin on your piles, it keeps them in a moisturized conditions. I mean, it prevents them from drying and itching and irritation. Now coming to the uses of PileSoft ointment, the only use that is possible with this PileSoft ointment is you can apply it on piles for the management of pain caused due to hemorrhoids. Actually, these piles are nothing but they are the swollen veins in the lower rectum or anus. They are of two types, internal and external. Internal piles are also known as hemorrhoids. Actually, they are of two types, internal hemorrhoids and external hemorrhoids. Internal hemorrhoids are not seen visually through externally. I mean, they are going to develop inside the rectum, whereas the external hemorrhoids develop under the skin around the anus. They are visibly through naked eye. Whereas internal hemorrhoids you are not going to observe them through your eyes. Now coming to the side effects of the PileSoft ointment, it may cause skin irritation at the site of application, and it may cause hypersensitive reactions. If your skin is sensitive to any of the medicines present in it, that is, if your skin is sensitive to lidocaine and hydrocortisone or zinc oxide or allantoin, then it may leads to hypersensitive reactions. If in such cases, consult your nearest doctor or book an appointment. and it may cause complete loss of sensation at the site of application for more time, as lidocaine is a local anesthetic. Now coming to the review, actually the combination of lidocaine, hydrocortisone, zinc oxide and allantoin, they work best in reducing the pain associated with piles and hemorrhoids. There are many brands available in the market with the same combination. However, the affordability and the working efficiency of PileSoft is best when compared to other competitors. So, I advise you to use it once for your piles or hemorrhoids. I will let you know how to use it. Just wash your hands properly and apply ointment to your fingertip or any applicator. If you want to use any applicator, then you can apply the ointment on that applicator. Then gently apply it at the site and massage smoothly. Leave it as it is and wash your hands. Points to remember: keep this ointment out of the reach of the children. You should have to keep away from them. Avoid contact with the eyes. So wash the hands after the application. Keep the tube tightly closed after use. If you use the cream, then keep the tube tightly closed after the use. Then store it in a cool and dry place. Protect it from a direct sunlight. If you have any questions, if you are irritated with the problem of piles, hemorrhoids, then feel free to book an appointment. I will let you know the solution of managing the piles with ease. Using only PileSoft ointment does not solve your health issue. There are other processes too that should be followed along with this. For an appointment, details are provided in the video description. Kindly have a look once. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell button to get the latest updates from our channel. Thank you.